Okay, so business partner, you understand, right? Yesterday, which we discussed about a business
Yes.
partner,
Yes.
right? So how to create a business partner and all. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So I'll just show you some slides. Yeah. So business partner, when you just see that, okay, so you can create at company code data level, sales organization area level, or it may be purchase organization level. Okay, so how this will be work based on the CVI, complex interface. Okay, so if you are using a ECC system, okay, then if you are using S4 HANA system, what is the difference? In the ECC system, we are directly creating the customer master record and supply master record. But in
Yes.
the S4 HANA, first you are creating the central data. That is a business partner. First you are creating a business partner, then you are extending that to your company code or your purchasing organization. So that is the
Okay.
same thing he is explaining here. So first you have to be create a central data, then you'll be saving that. Okay, then the company quota you are extending to the company code data or sales area data or purchasing organization data.
Okay.
Okay, so either you can create a business partner in the SAP GUI or you can create in the Fury also. What is a GUI? So this is the GUI. Okay, what are the I'm just showing that app. Okay, the desktop app that is a GUI. Okay,
Okay.
and what is the Fury? Fury, if you see,
Web.
we already discussed about the Fury, right?
Yes, sir.
Last time when we connected with this Fury, right?
Yes, sir.
I have shown that user-friendly app. Did you remember that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So there, if you are creating the Fury from Fury, okay. So then Fury you can create from there itself. Okay. So okay. Okay. So two ways we can create. Either you can create uh, okay how to in the GUI app or okay
Fury
or
app.
you can use that the Fury apps and you can create it.
Okay.
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 So that is the how you can create that. Then what is the next slide? If you see that, so categorize. So I informed right yesterday how to first you have to be decided whether this business partner is you are planning to create that as a person or okay or
Group.
you planning to create like a group or how you are planning to create that business partner. You have to decide that.
Okay.
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 So first you have to be categorize that. Okay. How you need to be graded. So that is categorization. Then, if you see that a business partner can be okay, can be vendor or can be employee,
Supplier.
can be customer or can be agency, can be contact person or can be contract anything. Okay,
Okay.
so the business
BP.
partner is the anything which like he is the
Okay.
partner of the vendor, right?
Role. Like BP role, sir.
Yeah, not BP role. This is you can say BP roll. Yes, you can say BP roll if you can
Okay.
understand easily. This is a BP roll only.
Okay.
Okay, clear.
Clear.
So if you go to /UI2 F5 FLP, this will connected to okay. This will be connected to a Fury app. So okay. So I don't know whether it is your this S4 HANA system. Okay, let me try this one. Did you remember that initially we discussed about that how to connect this as Fury app, the T
Yes.
code and all we just explained, right?
Directly, there is a direct BP is there, no, sir. Yes.
Directly you can link or you can use that by I'll be Fury apps if you want to be connect with that, then you have to be select transaction code /UI2/N/UI2/FLP. Okay, so this is the transaction code to create the here. Okay, so this is the Fury apps which we discussed last time, right? It will be connected to web link. Okay, here it will be display the roles which is assigned to you. Okay, if it is assigned any roles, it will display here. Okay, so what are the apps which is assigned to you? That apps it will display here. Okay, so let me try that. You can see here the screens here. Okay, so this is the way you can see the procurement overview, purchase requisition, monitor. So you can see that all the information here. Okay, so search functionality you can search here. Okay, how to search that? If you want to be connected to some Fury app, then how you can search here? You can enter that in the search button. Okay, then you can enter that. Okay, if you are entering that quotation, then it will work quotation related. Okay, so like you can adapt here. Okay, so you can see the screen and all. Will be understand easily. Okay, so initially if it is assigned any apps to you, it will display in the here. Okay, okay, I'll just enter that something like a business partner. Let's see if we can see any business partner related. Okay, you can see here manage the masters and records and all it is. Okay, so you can also enter that manage partner business partner data. Just taking a long time. So this is the advanced one. Okay, so
Okay.
you can see here there is so many change management coordination and everything which is there. I just want to go for the business partner. This is taking a long time to search. Okay, so then if I'll go slides. In meantime, it will be refreshing here. Okay, so the role which is like then what is the next? You can see that business partner category, then grouping. So yesterday we discussed, right? Grouping is nothing but like there is number ranges, right? So what number
Yes, sir.
range you want to be external number range, internal number range, what assignment it is like. Okay, that assignment you can do. Then by business partner roles. Business partner roles like we creating the general data, customer data, supplier, purchasing organization data. Okay, and supplier purchase organization data like that you can create. So mainly these four are very important: business partner, partner category, okay, then grouping and business partner role. Okay,
Okay.
clear, clear.
Yes.
Then you can see that just giving the overview like business partner, categorizing that person and organization group. business partner roles, customer, vendor, contact, prospect, and rate management related, whatever it is. And grouping it is internal number or external number. You have to
External
do.
level.
So
Okay.
easily to understand that how I just given like this one. Okay.
Okay.
So then you can see that what it is there in the business partner. General data have in the business partner. You have the general data, address data, bank data, tax numbers, information and all. In vendor purchasing data and accounting data, and customer sales data and accounting data. Right?
Okay.
When you selected that purchasing data, then it will come to purchase organization data. And if you selected the accounting data, it is company code level, the data will be updated. The same way it is here. Okay. So you can see here in the ERP how we are doing. We are maintaining the company code data, sales data, partner functions, tax indicators, and all. In the ERP customer master record and the vendor master record, you are maintaining company code data, purchase organization data. So now it will be merged like single in the BP. We are extending to the customer or supplier single web. Okay,
Okay.
clear.
Yes.
And you can see what the changes also. Okay, so the address information it is there in the top. If this is the ECC screen and this is the S4HANA screen.
It's for hands.
Okay, so you can compare both and the payment terms. This is the tab. Okay, and you can see this is the for the accounting information. Okay, and you can see the payment transactions information. Okay, and you can see corresponding accounting information. So every module, whatever the data which is there, the data which is there in the ECC, they mapped in the S4HANA also, but it is mapped in the business partner level. Okay,
Okay.
clear? So you can see here, this is FLCU1 is for the customer. Okay, like vendor also we have this explained, right? We FLV01, FLV02, like
Yes, sir.
FLV00, right? So that
Yes, sir.
is the role. Okay, clear. So the standard yearly, okay, this is message types. Okay, so generally what is the purpose of the message type? Okay, this message type what will be do from S4 HANA system to if you want to send the information to third party. Okay, you can use the IDA format and all. Okay, yearly standard yearly format. Okay, there you are using the this ADRMS mask, DMAS, CREMAS. So these are the ad hoc types they are using. Okay. So this will be go from the S4 HANA system to third party EWM system or other systems and all. Okay. So this is the we
Okay.
are using EC 6.0. So are you clear about that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is for the ad hoc. So from if you want to be create ECC level any data, any vendor master record or any metal master record, if you want to send that information to business S4 HANA system, so you can use these IDOC types. Okay. And this is configuration which we discussed, right? Account group we have created, number ranges we have
Number
created,
ranges.
number ranges map it to account group. This is vendor account group, right? Then
Yes, sir.
again, people all we have created and the number ranges and grouping we created, and we are assigned. Assigned also it is done, and master data synchronization also it is done. So I just given
Okay.
here the steps what to need to do. Okay,
Okay, sir.
I'll send this. Okay, I'll send this one to you. Okay, you can
Okay.
just read this one.
Okay.
Okay. So I'll just send to you. I have to close this one. Okay.
Yes, of course.
Okay, I'm just sending to you. Just check. Okay. So
Okay.
now let's see if we can do any uh, manage business partner. The searching and all is just taking a long time. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what I can do, let me skip this one and I'll just go to here, master data, party detail. Let's see. Okay, so here manage the business partner data is there. Okay. So the screens it will appear same, whatever in the desktop and GUI. Okay, both it will be appear same. There is no difference here. Okay. So manage business partner. So in S4HANA system and ECC, there is no difference. Even you can create a source list, you can create a vendor info record, okay. You can create a condition records, all it will be the same, okay. Only a few changes only it will be there, okay. So now if you can see here, the screen it is displaying manage business partner, okay. Just close this one. Now you can search that which you created, okay. If you want to you can create that, or if you want to create you can use. So you want to be create as a person or
Person
organization.
organization.
Let me create the
Organization.
organization now, okay. And what is our BP business partner grouping? ZTXT, right?
Yes, sir.
So do you remember that what is the tables for the material documents? Inventory posted. When inventory posted, what are the material document? Okay. So now, so create organization structure. So now I have to select the grouping. So I have what is the my account group? This is JTXT. Okay, I'm just entering that JTXT and even BP role or what BP role you want to be create. I want to create a FLV and 00. Okay, so I'll be creating that FLNV 00 or FLNV 01. Okay, so then now it will be going to that to create a business partner. So it's a user-friendly screen, so they can easily instead of they're entering the transaction code, they can easily search here and finding the app. That is what
Okay.
user-friendly.
Okay.
Okay. So now it is a little bit slow because depends on the app. Okay, so now you can see here basic data information, roles, address, whatever it is there, all it will be there. So I can enter that some information like okay, um, something HANA testing with the query or okay. So I'm just entering that, and you might be need to be enter that the mandatory fields. Okay, it may be city or it may be country. So country is the mandatory. So I will just put country. Okay, I'll just put the country and the region, something Andhra Pradesh region. Okay, then you can put the cell phone regions and all if you want to do. And if there is a languages is mandatory, so I will be go to languages. Okay, so all this information I'm entering here. So cell phone number, email, bank account detail, payment card details, and organized data tax information. So see how it is easy now. Okay, now I just updated that whatever it is needed. Then I'm just creating this one.
Okay.
Okay, if any mandatory field was missing, then it will give you error message. Okay, or else it will trying to create a business partner. Okay, even what we created in the S4HANA system, the business partners details also you can see here. Yesterday we created, right? 103 or 104 business partner we created, right?
Yes, sir.
Business partner also we can see here. So it is validating the other field, and if any field which is mandatory, then system will give warning message, error message, or it will be created. The master data record was
Got
created.
created.
Okay, so then where we can see that okay, if we go to, we can see all this information here. Okay, the relationship, classification, all this information, roles and the general information, all we can see here. Okay, clear?
Clear.
So you can see the number also 105 here. Okay,
Okay.
so 104 it is created, right? Now it is
Last one it is 104, sir. Sorry.
yeah. So now it is 105. It is created. Clear?
Clear.
Okay, done. So if you want to go to home, you can go. Okay, and if you want to be copy and you can create, or if you want to be open, you can open. Okay, clear?
Clear.
Any questions? So here
No, sir.
there is options also. Send email if there is an email where you configure workflow or something which you configure, then you can send the mail also this information. Okay. So that is what it is too friendly to our system. Okay. Now I'll be going back to that. Okay. So what is my number? 105.
5.
So I'll just see now. You can see that the business partner was created. Okay, this is my business partner 105, which is created.
Okay.
Okay, clear?
Clear.
Now I'll go to edit, and if you want to modify, you can modify that.
Okay.
So this is the way we can use the business is for even it's not only for BP. You can create POs, you can create GR, inventory, invoice verification, all whatever the transaction you are planning to run in the ECC or S4HANA system. Here you can use the Fury apps as well.
Okay.
Okay, clear?
Clear.
Okay, you can maintain the languages. Okay, all these things you can maintain. Any questions here?
No, sir.
And also validate here. Check it successfully. You just check and save. You can save that. Okay. Any changes which you need to perform, you can perform that. Okay, you can also attach the upload. If you want to be attached any attachment, you can do attachments also.
Okay.
Okay, if you want to be assigned a class, that also you can assign here. Okay. Okay. So this is the way we can do all these options here. Okay. Any questions here?
No, sir.
Okay. So let me go. So keep and address and save. Okay. So which one is easy for you now?
This one is easy, sir.
Both are easy. Huh?
This one is very easy.
This one is easy. Okay. So here you can see that what is I have created yesterday 104 no.
104.
So here mushroom production unit
Yes,
supplier,
sir.
right, which I created yesterday. So now you can create your new BP with using create mode. Okay. And if you want to be export also, you can export here.
Okay.
Okay. So you can export the options here. Okay. You can see settings and all. You can see the settings here. What options you have to do that. So if you want to be download from here only, you can download the data. All the exports data we can do. Clear?
Clear.
Okay. Now, in the same way, you can also create for the middle master record. You can create for the customer master record. All these things you can do. Perform you can do all these things. So let's go copy this one. Let's create copy here. The data is copied. It is trying to create a new PP. Okay, it's trying to create a new PP. So you can, by copying also you can do. The data was automatically copied from the previous vendor to this vendor. So now if you want to change, you can change that data. Clear?
Yes.
So this is the way also you can change and you can create. So now if you want to be create a role, okay, so new role if you want to be created. So what role you want to be create? Suppose FLB and AN00.
00.
So I can create that as well. Okay, and extend that. Then it will be creating that company code level data, which is creating financial level data. Okay. So in here you also need to be entered that all the details, company code and okay, and all the information you have to be created here. Clear?
Yes.
So I don't have purchase organizations and company code. That's why I'm not entering the information here. Okay, we can create our own company code, plan, purchase organization, then we'll try.
Okay.
Okay. So you need to do practice first. Okay.
Okay.
So the practice very important. This is taking a long time. Okay, let's see. Okay, so now we'll go for that. What we'll go? We'll go to SPRO. Okay, and French IMG. Now, if you can see that enterprise structure here, we are defining that our company code. Okay, plant, purchase organization, and okay, purchasing group. So if you remember that initially we discussed about organization structure. If you remember, do you remember that? So what is the highest level client, company code, plant, purchasing organization, purchasing group? Did you remember that we are discussed about organization structure?
No, sir. Actually, we didn't discuss it, sir. Organization structure.
Sorry.
Organization structure, we didn't discuss it, sir.
We first initially we discussed about all the topics. What is the organization structure? What is the plan? What is the purchase organization? If you remember that,
Purchase organization is okay, sir.
I'll just show you. Somewhere I entered here. When we discussing here, some plan organization structure which we discussed somewhere. Okay, I'll just open PPT. Let me go with that again.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so organization structure. So organization structure or enterprise structure, whatever it may be, it is the same. Organization structure, enterprise structure in MM. Okay. Okay, so what is the organization structure we have? We have in client in the highest level, if you can see, go with that, we have client. Okay,
Okay.
so client is one. Then we have company codes. Okay, let's say we have different company codes. 1 minute, I'm getting call. Okay, so the highest level is client. Okay, the highest level is client. Then under this client, you have the company codes. Okay, you might be have the one company code, two company code, three company codes. It depends. Okay, so you might be have the different company code. Okay, again, each and every company code have the different plants. Okay, so it might be manufacturing plant, it may be okay depot plant, it may be
Storage.
storage plant. Okay, it may be packing station, packing plant. Okay, some kind of the plants which we have. Okay, so again, this will be controlling under the purchasing organization. So it might be individually purchase organization or it may be central purchase organization.
Okay.
Okay, so even cross-plant purchase organizations also. So if you can see that client, company code, okay, then plants, okay, then purchasing organizations, okay. And other than
Okay.
this one, we have also purchasing groups also, purchasing groups, okay. So one client might be have the multiple company codes. Company code, if you can see that 1000, okay, 2000, 3000, 4000. Okay, one client have the different company codes. Again, one company code have the multiple plants like suppose 1100 ETA one plant. Okay, and 1200 2100 or 3100 or 4100. Okay, might be have the multiple plants or single plant or it may be a number of plants.
Okay.
Okay, and again purchasing organization, if you have that, it might be 1000 purchase organization. Okay, or it might be 1100 purchase organization. Okay, if suppose I have the purchase organization, okay, central purchase organization if it is there. Okay, central purchase organization or individual purchase organization. Okay, cross communicable purchase organization. So it might be individual also, it may be centrally also. So what will be happen centrally means it will be like central purchase organization can be handled the company code 1000 under this plans whatever it is assigned, and again the central purchase organization is assigned to the company code 2000 under this plan 2100. So what are the purchasing activities you are planning to do from this plan? So this central purchase organization can be handled because it is a central purchase organization. Or if it is individual purchase organization, what will happen? This purchase organization only respond for this or 1100 purchase organization. Okay,
Okay.
and this purchase organization only respond for this plant. Okay, so individually purchase organizations like. Okay,
Okay.
so or if we have suppose let's say if we have one more purchase organization, okay, that may be have that okay, I can say it something like 1150. Okay, this purchase organization can be okay taking care about the plant 1100 and plant 1200. So cross plant also it is possible, individual plant also possible, and cross central purchase organization also it's possible.
Okay.
Okay. So what is the purpose of purchase organization? The group of people who will be taking care about all the purchasing activities, purchasing, dealings, distance, and agreements. All these things will be done by purchase organization people.
Okay.
Okay, and again there will be a purchasing group people. So many people will be there. Purchasing group people. They will be taking care about the individual purchasing activities. Like if suppose particular brand is there, particular brand he will be taking care. Okay, and whenever they
Okay.
are creating a purchase PIVO, whenever they are creating contracts or something, okay, it might be these people will be uh, contact person, direct contact persons will be. Okay.
Okay.
So this is the like individual person or group of persons.
Okay.
Okay. Suppose Rajendra is there. Rajendra will take care about all the consumables.
Okay.
Rajendra will be taking care about all the consumables.
Okay.
Okay. So then there will be one more person is there. Okay. Kiran will be taking care about all the services.
Okay.
Okay. So like the person or group of persons. Okay. So that person will be taking care about the personally, it will be taken care about that purchase orders and whatever the individual it is created or particular service or particular info records or particular material, it will be handled.
Okay.
Okay. Clear? And
Clear.
these purchase organization people will be taking care about that, all the outline agreements, contracts, schedule agreement, long-term agreements, the price discussions, decisions, and supplier evaluation, all these things will be done by purchase organization people.
Okay.
Okay, clear?
Okay.
Clear?
Clear.
So it might be okay. You can see. Client can be assigned to all the company codes. Okay. So the same way, the company code tells you have the multiple plans or single plan. Okay. And this purchase organization can be handled this company code, so this plan, and this purchase organization will be handled by this plan, and this will be handled by this purchasing organization can be taken care about all the company codes. So
Okay.
all these two plans, this purchase organization is taking care about it. So this is the cross plan purchase organization. Okay. This is the same way. If you can see that here, this purchase organization group is handling company code 1000, and the same way he is taking care about this one. Okay, the same way he is taking care about this one, and the same way he is taking care about this one also.
Okay.
Okay, so central purchase organization. Clear?
Clear.
Do you understand? Any question?
No, sir.
So under this plant again, there will be a storage location. So this is MM organized structure. So in the interview point of view, if they are asking about MM enterprise structure or organized structure, the elements are client, company code, plant, purchase organization, and purchasing group. Okay. Storage location will not come under the purchasing element.
Okay.
Okay, clear?
Clear.
Clear? Any questions?
No, sir.
Any questions?
No, sir.
So how we can define this into our enterprise structure that we'll discuss now. Okay. So ECC and S4HANA procedure were same. Okay, there is no change here. Okay, clear?
Clear.
Any questions here? Okay.
No, sir.
So what is the purpose of the purchasing group? The contact person, the email ID of that person, in case if I'm ordering the PO. So the supplier have the doubt something. So to whom he can contact to this buyer group because he will be taking care about that purchase order. Okay, he'll be taking care about that purchasing activity. Okay, clear?
Yes.
Okay, now, okay, so where we are in? So enterprise structure definition. So here will be first we are defining that. Okay, first we are defining client, company code, plan, purchase organization, and all we are defining. Then we are assigning that to okay assignments here. We are doing that assignments here. Okay. So which company code, this company code is assigned to this plant, or this company code is assigned to this plant, how the system knows. You need to be assigned that, okay, on
Okay.
this all this thing. Okay. So I'll be defining first company code. Okay. So I'll go to financial and I will go here, copy code, and you can take of the existing one. You can take any existing one. So first you have to be select here the copy button, copy organization object. Then you can select any of the company code. Okay, and you can create your own. Okay, you can create.
Okay.
So when the SAP was suggesting that, okay, always take the existing one and copy, because you are not aware about all the modules. So what connectivities it is there, we don't know, right? Exactly.
Okay.
So you must be copy from the existing one.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm not finding here directly. So I'll be go table level and just to see that what what we have company codes. T001 is the company codes we have. Let's see how many company codes are there. So there are 90 company codes are there. Okay. So I'll be take this first one, 0001. Let's try this one. And
Okay.
copying from 0001. And I'm creating something like ZTXT or something which I'm creating. Okay. So you want to be copy all the GL accounts from the company code data. So let's copy from that, because we don't have finance consultant. I'm just copying. And do you want to be copy the assignments of controlling area? Yes, I want to become. Do you want to be allocate the different local currency to targeted? No, because I just want to go with the same euro. I'll go with the euro. Okay,
Okay.
customer. Okay, some customization settings are inconsistency. Okay, let's try. Okay, do you want to be transport the number ranges? Yes, I want to transport the number ranges. So whatever it is there for the 1000 company code, so whatever the reference company code which we are taken, it will be copying to the existing what new plant, what new company code we are trying to create, it will be copied to that.
Okay.
Okay, clear?
Same that
Clear?
0001 company code was copying to ZTST
I'm just taking the existing company
as a
code.
reference.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, I'm taking the existing company code and copying to that and creating the new company code.
Okay.
Okay, because all the data which I don't know, because financial data I don't know, and HR data I don't know, okay, history data I don't know. So that's why I just whatever the link ups it is there, it will copy automatically.
Okay.
Okay, I'm just taking the
Okay.
reference of 001, but you can take any of that, because we
Okay.
don't know other company codes. This is the SAP company code which SAP
Okay.
created initially, these two. Okay, so you can take that and you can copy that. Okay, I'm just
Okay.
copying that. If you want to take anything, which you can take it. Okay, so transport intervals, yes, you want to be transport, yes. So it is the same process for ECC also. If you want to be create a company code, you can create. So I'm just creating the S4 HANA. So you can try in the wherever you want to be try, you can try. Clear?
Okay.
So there are so many objects are there. The system is trying to copy all the objects. Okay. That's why I'm just copying, because if you see that every time it will be going with different data. Just copying different data. Okay. So now it's creating and just entering that. Okay. So I just enter, just pressing on enter. So the system is trying to copy all the data. So in the standard, when you are in the real time, this company code will be created by financial team. So don't worry about
Okay.
that. They will create all
Okay.
these company codes and controlling areas and everything. They will be created. It's not our
Okay.
job. Okay.
Okay.
We'll be creating only plant and all. So now the company code was created ZTXT, which is copied from the 301.
301.
Okay. So ZTXT was created. Now if you want to change your name after ZTXT, you can change it. You can go to company code and double click on that and change that if you want to be. I'm just doing some testing and all. You can testing company code or something which you can enter. Or Tata company code or whatever it is, maybe you can enter. And if you want to be change the address also, you can change address. You can maintain address and you change the address, all these things you can do. Okay, clear?
Okay. Clear.
So this is where you can create a company code. Now this from this company code, what will happen? Whatever the controlling area or whatever the financial data which is there, it is copied. Okay,
Okay.
clear? Now I'll be creating a plan. Okay, so you can see here, this is the plan. Okay, you can go to here and you can see the plan. So what I'm doing, I'll just do copying from the existing one and defining that. So I'll go
Okay.
copy existing one and I will take. So what is the table name? I'll just go to table name. Let's see. T001W20W1. Okay. This is a plant. Let's see search in the plants. What are the plants which is there? So here also it is there 0001 and 0003 like that. I'm just taking again 0001 and I'll be copying. I'm just creating GST1, just TS1. Okay, so here also I'm just copying all the objects, transfer number ranges, all these things. Okay, so I'm just copying all these things. Okay, so now 001 is copied from the TX1. So you can create if you want, you can create one more also. Okay, TX2. Okay, and now the TX2 also it is created. The
Okay.
TX1 and the TX2. So the same way you can go back, okay, and you can check that the define plan and you can change the address and all. If you want to change the address, we can change the address. Okay, it might be Hyderabad branch or it may be different branches, right? That you can change here. Okay, clear?
Okay.
Is it clear?
Clear.
Okay, so now I have created a plan. Okay, so I have created a plan and I have created a company code. So this company code, if you want to be assigned to the plans, you can assign plant the assignments. Okay, so you can come down here, assignment here, the assignment. You go to logistic general, then you can assign that plan to company code. Okay, I just open somewhere. All right, someone is open. So you have to be assigned here. Okay. So just to open the log entries, number of logs and all. So someone is open this table. Okay. Why it is not open now? Let's see assign plan to company code. Okay, someone 323023. My user ID only, right? I'll just delete this one. This locked. Okay, somewhere is locked. Okay. I will go back and I'll be changing this one plan to company code. Then now new entries. And what is the company code? ZTXT
ZTST.
and the plan is ZTX1.
ZTST1 S1.
Okay. ZTXT.
ZTS2.
ZTX2. Okay. Already assigned to some other company code. So since it is copied from the existing one, right? So what you need to do first, you have to delete that combination, because one plant can be assigned to one company code only, right? So I just deleting this one, the entries, then save. Okay, then I'll be creating that my ZTXT and ZTX1. ZTXT and ZTX2.
ZTS2.
So I'm assigning to both. Then it will be saved. So this is the way we will be connected the company code to plant.
Yes.
Okay. Clear?
Clear.
Then you can define your own purchasing organizations and say under this plan, first what you need to do, you have to be define your store locations. Okay, you have to define your store location. So what is the store location here? Okay, it might be raw material store location, cold storage, or it is a warm storage, or it may be process storage. Any storage locations are there, right? So you can define that. Okay, that's store location, and you can say what is valid. It is a valid or it is not valid or something which you can define. Okay, since we are copied from 0001, if you want to be continue with this store location, you can continue, or if you want to be create something new, you can create here. Okay, boy, I'm just creating that ZTX1. Okay, so ZTX1 something like storage, raw material storage or something. Then you can create that, and you can enter the address also. Okay, if you want to enter the address, you can enter the address of the vendor. This is store location, because sometimes what will happen, the store location is too far. When the plant inside the plant, the store location will be too far. If suppose Vizag steel plant is there, so Vizag steel plant is the one branch, one plant. But if you go to inside, okay, it is almost covering the 1,000 acres. Okay, so if it is covering more than 1,000 acres, then the location area will be different for the each location, each store location.
Okay.
So in that case, you can maintain the store location address.
Okay.
Okay, clear?
Clear.
Okay, so same way you can create for the ZTX2 also. If you can create want to create store location, again you can create under a ZTX2, and you can define your own store location, which is like storage store location, raw material store location, packing store location, whatever it may be, you can define. Clear? And you can see here this business system is okay, something like if you want to be connect to the third party system, the business system will be helpful. You can define
Okay.
the business system, which is like third party system which you can define. Okay, that third party system you can connect here.
Okay.
It is for the MES material flow from the one system to other system. So you can define here the system ID. So here it is not defined, but you can define that system ID. Okay, so this is completely basis related
Okay.
systems and all. If you want to be connected to EWM system, and it will be useful. Now purchase organizations, you can define purchase organization. Okay, so you can define your own purchase organization, and suppose I just want to create a TXT, which is central purchase organization. I can define that central purchase organization. Okay, and same way, if I want to be individual purchase organization also, I can define the individual purchase organization. Okay.
Okay.
TX1 plan. So like you can define your individually plan, or if you want to be individual, or if you want to be go with a central purchase organization, you can go with that. Clear?
Yes.
So this is the way we just created. Okay. And now this purchase organization you have to be mapped. You want to be mapped in the company code level, or you want to be mapped in the plant level.
Plant
You have
level.
to decide it. If you want to go individually, then you must be assigned to that plant level. If you are
Plant
assigned
level.
at company code level, what will happen? This purchase organization will be responsible for the both plants. Whatever the plants which is assigned to the company code, that all the plants, this will be responsible. So if
Okay.
you do you want to be go with individually, or if you want to be go with the centrally, or you want to be go how you would like to go, so that you have to decide that.
Okay.
Clear?
Yes.
So if you are assigned at company code level, what will be happen? Under this company code, how many plants are there? Suppose let's say there are 10 plants are there. For all 10 plants, this purchase organization will work.
Yes, sir. Central.
If you are assigned at plant level, okay. If you are assigned
Is
at
only
plant level, then it will be works only for the
individual plant.
okay. If you are assigned purchase organization for all the company code, then across all the company codes, across all the plants, it will be works.
Okay.
Okay. Clear? So
Clear.
that you need to decide, and you have to be assigned here in the logistical general, material management. In this material management, you have to be assigned either at the company code level or plant level. Okay. So
Okay.
I'll be assigning ZTXT for the ZTXT company code. Okay. So only dispatch organization I'm assigning at company code level. Okay. Then I'll be assigning remaining two at plant level. Okay. Clear?
Okay. Clear.
ZTX1,
S1.
ZTX1,
ZTS2. ZTS.
So this purchase organization only for response for this plan.
Okay.
So like we can define that. Okay. Clear?
Clear.
Now this purchasing group is the individual purchasing group. So I'm not assigned to anyone. So it is not connected to anything. Okay. This purchasing group is the individual purchasing group. This will not be linked to any of our organization element.
Okay.
Okay. So we can use our purchasing group in the anywhere if you any company code you can use. Okay.
Okay.
Clear? So that purchasing group where we can define, last time we discussed in the metal management. In the metal management, the metal master related field we discussed, right? So remember that. So go to metal management. In the metal management, you can see that purchasing group related activities which is defined. Okay, you can see that purchasing groups are created here. Okay, so if you want to define your name and your phone number, fax number, telephone number, mail ID, all these things you can define here.
Yes,
Okay, clear?
Yes.
Any questions?
No, sir.
Okay, so this is the way we can do the enterprise structure. Then I said last time, right? When you are defining new company code, what you need to do? You also need to do the do the material management activation at company code level. Did you remember that? When I just discussed last time. Okay, so you also need to be update the company code level, the material management.
Okay.
Or else it will get an error message. The company.
Okay. Okay.
Did you remember that?
Yes, sir.
So the financial year we
Yes,
have to be
sir.
updated. Did you remember?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so that you have to do. So
physically.
where is that report? Okay, here it will communicate for the management. So here, first whenever you create a first time, you can define your
Get yes.
the financial year when it is started. So now I'm just I didn't posted anything as of now, so I will be going with that. So today whatever it is there, five, right? So
5.
five I'll be going with 5. Okay. So now it is got to May month 2024 and April month 2024. First time when you're doing, you have to do this as well.
Okay.
Okay, clear?
Yes.
So now if I go to EC01, EC01 is the transaction code. We can see the structure of the our company. So what is my company code? ZTXT.
ZTST.
So I'll be going to ZTXT and double click on this one. Now if we can see that we have created ZTX1, ZTX2 two plans under this company code and the ZTXT the Pachar Nation.
Central.
And this controlling area and trade controlling area which is copied from the our reference company code. And under this plant again, okay, there is a store locations are we have created ZTX1 and remaining are the copied from the existing one. So
Yes, sir.
all it will display distribution, shipping point, all these things it will display here. So this is the way we can see our organized structure was created and resigned or not properly.
Okay.
Clear?
Clear.
So now if I go to MM01, okay, I can use that. Okay, if I order something, okay, I'll use something, but I don't know whether it will work or not. Okay, so I'll just do when I'm creating that. Okay, purchasing organization data, I can use my
ZT.
plan. What are the plan which you want to be create? You can create. Okay, you can create that under this plan. Now I'm not getting any error. If you are not assigned this the material management assignment, then system will not be allowed to create a material master record.
Okay.
Did you okay? So the last configuration we did, right?
Yes,
This
sir.
one.
Maintain.
If you are not assigned this one, the system will not be allowed to create a material master record. It will
Maintain
give the
master.
error message.
Yes.
Okay, clear?
Okay. Clear.
So the material types, all it is the same. There is no difference here. Okay. The material groups and also you can create. I'm not sure why it is not displaying in this system, but actually it will be display all the list. Okay, whatever the list it is there, it will display. Material groups or it will be display. It depends on the server. Okay, it's
Okay.
not depends on the system. It will be like server if it is slow or sometimes it is not triggering all the data. Okay, it will not be displayed. So I'll just go with the something and copying here. Okay, so I'm just creating now. The 37 was created.
Okay.
So the 37 was created. So there is nothing different. All the MetaMaster record, all data is same. Okay. Might be you might be finding that some no might be you are finding something new fields and all. Okay.
Okay.
So here in S4HANA, the material ledger is the very important. Okay. So validation area level, you must be maintain the material ledger must be product tools. That's this should be done. Okay. So the finance
Okay.
people they have to do this configuration. Okay. It is required to do activation that then only we can use the metal master card. Okay,
Okay.
otherwise in the ECC level it is not mandatory material ledger account, but here it is mandatory. Okay, so
Okay.
what it is here? Let's say suppose I'm using visual characteristics here. Okay, nothing is there here. OMX3. Okay, so here you need to be assigned your material ledger type to your valid area. What is the valid area here? The TX1. It is already
Yes.
okay, so no problem. Now, an OMX1. What is the OMX1? Okay, so here again you have to be okay. They are assigning some two. I'll just assign two and I'll be activating this one. Okay, so transaction based and I'll be activating the material ledger here. Okay, then afterward it needs to be do product via okay. Okay, so the T export or something. This is something which is like a master data related. Okay, so no need to do it about it. Okay, so this is production related. This is not required actually.
Okay.
This is production related. So now we'll try to go MM02 and let's see my purchasing data. Okay, still it is not coming. Product to material ledger must be set product to for valid material. So just giving some time. Like product to like okay. Some error which is coming. Okay, we'll see tomorrow. It's already too late. We'll see tomorrow. Okay, this is Metal Buster Metal Ledger account. Okay, activation.
Okay.
Okay, then any questions?
No, sir.
Okay, then